lizard pose is one of my favorite stretches when it comes to improving flexibility in hips as well as quads. It hits the glutes a little bit. So to perform this, you may need some yoga blocks or even a medicine ball, but if you don't have it, don't worry. I'm going to use an ab mat, but you can also use a rolled up towel. So you're going to start with one knee back and the other forward in a lunge position. And then from here, you'll simply let your hands come to the floor, feeling that stretch in that back leg, as well as I also tend to feel it outside here. If you can get your elbows down to the floor, that's great. But for some of us, we may need a medicine ball or even a couple yoga blocks. But you want to just feel as if your hips are just sinking towards the floor, just passively holding this position. And that right there is called the lizard pose.